Good morning everyone. In this video we will learn how to blink LED on Argon. So you can see the output here. Like when I run the code, I'm able to see the blinking LED. So to set up Argon, first plug the Argon to the breadboard, then connect Argon to the power supply with USB cable, then plug in the Wi-Fi into the Argon. So let's learn what is the basic principle to blink the code in the blink your name in the Morse code. Basically, Morse code is represented by dot and dash. A duration of a dot in a blinking LED is 1 unit. That is, maybe a unit can be taken as 1 second or 500 milliseconds. So basically a dot will be blinking for 1 second or 500 milliseconds. If you take a dash, it will be blinking for 3 units. So approximately 3 seconds or 1500 milliseconds. And between two characters, for example, my name is J. So between J and A, I'm introducing a new character. So there is a gap between J and A. That duration is 2 units, which is 2 seconds or 1 second. You can see the Morse code table over here. Let me say, my name is J A I J. So let's take J. J is represented by 1 dot and 3 dash. So basically what I'll be doing is that, so total duration to blink the LED will be blinking for 1, 3, 10 seconds. The LED will be blinking for 10 seconds, representing the letter J. And before adding a new character, there will be a 2 unit break, that is 2 seconds. So take it as 12 seconds to blink the whole J. Then we take A. A is represented by dot and dash. So it's total 4 seconds plus 2, it will be 6 seconds, it will be blinking A. Then I 2 dots, so 2 plus 2, 4 seconds total. Let's see the code now. First I am declaring a variable LED, and this LED I am pointing it to D7. I am setting my pin mode to LED output. That is, I am making the D7 port as an output port. I am declaring D7 port as output port here, and I am declaring my unit as 100. You can write it as 500 milliseconds, 1 second, whatever it may work for you. So we have 3 functions: new character, dot, dash. So new character, it only delays the function. So delay of unit start 2. So this function will delay the LED blinking by 2 seconds. Then dot function, first we are turning on the LED by declaring it as high. Then we are delaying it by 1 unit. Then we are turning off the LED, delaying it by 1 unit. Similarly, dash, we are turning on the LED, delaying it for 3 seconds. That is, delay here means the duration of the blinking time. The duration the LED blinks, that is called delay. So delay here is 3 seconds for a dot, for a dash, and for dot it is 1 unit. 1 unit, that is 1 second or 500 milliseconds, whatever you take. Then I am turning off my LED, again delaying it by 1 unit. Now let's see the loop. Why I am using loop is that because I want my name to be looped continuously. It should blink continuously, so I am using loop of function. So first character is J. So J dot off, dash off, dash off, dash off, dash. I am calling all these 4 functions and a new character function. For A, dot and dash, a new character function. Similarly, the respective functions are called. For I it's 2 dots, for S it's 3 dots, for H it's 4 dots, for A it's again dot and dash, for R it's dot dash dot, A dot dash, N dash dot.